Hello children, welcome to our English class. In today's class, we will continue learning about one and many. So I hope children you all remember the previously done rules. Rule 1 says add S when there are more than one thing. Rule 2 says always add ES with the words ending with S, SS, SH, CH, X and O. Yes, so let us learn another rule. Rule 3. For all the naming words ending with Y, that means if in the end, at the end, what comes? Y. If the final Y is next to a wall, like to a wall. You all remember the wall, children? A, E, I, O, U. Then add only S to the word to change it to many. Many plural. That means whenever the word is having Y at the end. The word is having Y at the end and before that comes any vowel. उससे पहले Y से पहले अगर कोई vowel आता है, कौन कौन से vowels होते हैं? You all know well. A, E, I, O, U. Then we add only S to the word to make it a singular. Like if I say a word boy. Now think of the spellings. Think B-O-Y. So here end is Y. And what is coming before Y? It's O. Is O a vowel? Yes, children. So here the N, at the end we will add only S. What are we going to add? S. Let us all understand this with the help of more examples. Now everyone, as on the screen you can see boy, boys, one boy, many boys. So here at the end we are going to use S. Everyone, boy, boys, boy, boys. Tray, tray. We will put S to it to make it trays. One tray, many trays. One tray, many trays. Why are we adding Y to it? Because before Y there is a wall. Which wall? A. That is why. Another example is key. K-E-Y. Now, at the end there is a Y. Always look. What is there at the end? It's Y. And before Y, what is coming? E is coming. So, we will add S to it. Key, keys. Chabi, chabiyan. One key, many keys. Key, keys. Similarly, ray. R-A-Y, ray. Ray, rays. Ray, rays. Day, D-A-Y, day, days. One day, many days. Toy, it has Y at the end and a vowel O. So we will add S to it to make it toys. Toy, toys. Toy, toys. Now look at the last word. M-O-N-K-E-Y is monkey. Now what is coming at the end? It's Y. But tell me, the rule says to change it to S if there is a wall before it. Is any wall is there before Y? Yeah, just check. It's E. E is a wall? Yes. So we will make it monkeys. Monkeys. Similarly, donkey, donkeys, and so on. Now think of more words like this and turn them into plural. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye.